So hello, after designation we have to go to the payroll settings of managements. Now I'm clicking here. Here you can see a lot of type of settings. You can add or deduct the types of bills which will be added or deduct from your salary. So your salary will be uh, created based on these settings, because if you set additional charge, that will be added to your salary, and if you deduct, that will be deduct from your salary. So these bills are important part for the payroll, as based on this your salary will be created. So now we're gonna add the type of additional charge and deductional charge that will be set to the payroll. From here you can add some bills or deduct some bills, and based on this your salary will be created. So let's start. We'll click on the add type button. So now we can add, suppose we are adding here the transport bill. So transport bill basically an additional charge which will be added to your salary. So I am setting here addition, and the status is active, of course. And now we are gonna click on the create button and it will be created. So now you can see the transport bill is created, and now we will add another deductional bill here, so you can totally understand the policy, how to function this. So now I'm gonna add in a deductional charge. So it's tax. So the type is deduction and status is active. So now we'll click on the create button and the deductional charge is created. As you can see, tax, type deduction, and status is active. From here you can edit and update, and from this button you can delete this. So if you want any changes, so you can edit or delete anytime. Now we will hit for the attendance setting. Here we can see three types of settings. So let me start from the deduction amount. So this is basically when you are late for certain days, and then a percentage of money will be deducted from your salary. So from here you can say how many days will be counted as late, and how many percentage will be deducted from the 1 day salary, from the basic or gross salary. You can set this. So if you set here 3, which means if any employee is late for 3 days, then he or she will be under this policy. So here is the deduction percentage, which means how many percentage you will deduct from the basic or gross salary of that employee. So here we have said 50%. You can deduct 20%, or you can deduct 40%, whichever you want. So I am here deducting the 50% of salary, and here from here you can set from which salary you want to deduct this. You can set here basic or gross. Normally the basic is deducted when any employee is late for 3 days or 5 days, whichever you choose. So you can also set gross, but I am gonna choose basic, which is default. So yeah, that's all. So with this setting you can understand that if any employee is late for 3 days, his or her deduction amount will be 50% from the basic salary of 1 day. So yeah, that's it. Then you have to set the late time, which means if your entry time of the hotel is selected for the employee is 9 a.m. and from when you will count the late time. Okay, so if you count from 9:1, which is also can be said. Here I have set 10 minutes, which means if any employee enters between 9-10 am, that's not late. If the employee enters at 9:11 am, then I will count the late. So here you can also set 15 minutes, so then you can count from 9:16 am as late day. So you can set from here the late time, which means from when you will count the late day. Okay, now we'll head for the next one. Select weekly holidays. From here you can set the weekly holiday, so you can select 2 holidays or a single holiday, whichever you want. So if I chose 2 days, so I have to click here. Friday is already set. Now if I click on the Saturday, now you can see there are 2 holidays. If I deduct and set Sunday as holiday, so I can also do that. So yeah, so from here you can set the weekly holidays. It can be 1 day or 2 day. So now it's time to update. Here you have to click on the update button and it will be updated. Now we'll go to the bonus setting. So here you can set the bonus types and bonus description, and bonus type, from which type of salary you will add the bonus. You can set basic or gross. So from here you can set the percentage. I will set 50%, and the bonus type will be gross. So the employee will get the 50% of the gross salary as bonus. And here you can set the bonus description. It can be a Christmas bonus, it can be a Eid bonus, anything. So I will set the Christmas bonus. Okay, here you go. That's it. Now we will head for the general setting. General setting is very easy. There are 2 types of settings: absent deduction type and unpaid deduction type. So if you set gross, then the absent deduction will be cut from the gross salary, and if you set basic, then it will be cut from the basic salary. And unpaid deduction, same, you can set gross or basic. And these 2 I have chose basic. So if any employee is absent or on unpaid leave, the basic salary will be deducted from his main salary. So this is the functionalities of the payroll setting of managed beds. In the next video I will show you how to set duty management. Thank you.